Sasha, and I want to control everything.
Okay. Welcome back to the channel. What are the top signs that our metabolism is broken? Before we even get into that, just to caveat, because you know how much I love my caveats. I know how much you hate when I say that word. I don't know why.
I don't hate it.
A standard word. But we need to caveat that you can't actually break your metabolism.
Right.
Really aggressive. Okay. The thing is, like, you can't actually break your metabolism, but you can cause negative adaptations to your metabolism. The way this works is it all kind of boils down to, like, you know, these ideas of metabolic adaptation and metabolic memory, right? So if you're dieting for long periods of time on very low calories, if you're doing lots of exercise for long periods of time, or if you've been chronically dieting like on and off your entire life, right? Like that kind of typical yo-yo dieting pattern that most people follow, then there's a good chance that your metabolism is adapted, or like what you guys might say, like my metabolism's broken. It feels like no matter what I do, I just can't seem to lose weight. And that's where we kind of hit that dreaded plateau where it's like, I'm doing everything right, I'm eating super low calories, I'm exercising all the time, but my clothes don't fit any differently, the scale's not moving, and I don't know like what else to do.
You're doing a really good job at this, so I think what I'm gonna do is take a nap and put a science hat on you and let you just
my nerd hat on,
roll with this one.
So again, talking about like this idea of metabolic memory, right? Like your body is built for survival. Essentially, all your body wants to do is keep you alive and make sure that you don't die. So from a survival perspective, right? If you're eating fewer calories than your body needs to maintain its current body weight, like that's an adaptation, that's a stressor on your body. Your body needs to overcompensate. It compensates to keep you alive by down-regulating your metabolism, your thyroid, a bunch of different things that kind of happen inside of your body essentially
to keep you alive.
In order to keep you alive. By doing that, a byproduct of that is essentially pausing or stalling any type of future weight loss. And again, this kind of ties back into the idea of metabolic memory. Your body remembers when you did that, 1,200 calorie diet, the 800 calorie diet, and it remembers it wasn't fun. The first time that you do it, your body might be like, okay, this is kind of like a new stimulus. I'll let you get away with it for a little bit until I figure out how to actually adapt to it. But then the second time and the third time and the 20th time that you do it, your body's like,
absolutely not. This
no
is
way.
not happening anymore.
It wasn't fun the first time we did it. It wasn't fun the 30th time we did it. The 50th time you're gonna try this, like, I'm not having it, so we're not going to lose any weight here.
Yeah, because at that point your body is just like, nope, like we are not doing this. We're not letting go of any more body fat. And that's when you start to hit plateaus quicker. Like everything starts down regulating a lot faster.
And again, this is your body just protecting you from a stressor. Like that's exactly what your body was designed to do, survive and thrive and keep you alive essentially. So in order to prevent you from dying, your body's like, okay, we'll compensate for everything that's going on by doing this. You stop losing weight, your metabolism down-regulates, your thyroid down-regulates, you start feeling less energy, you're more cranky, you're more hungry, like you have no sex drive anymore. Brain fog, like just constantly being lethargic. Maybe you have different like irregularities in your menstrual cycle. There's a whole host of things that go on. You stop sleeping well, your cortisol levels are high. So if you're seeing any like signs or symptoms that we just mentioned, that could be a good indicator that your metabolism's broken or it's adapted or downregulated. In that case, you're gonna want to probably take yourself through a reverse diet or like a metabolic repair phase. That's the phase we take most of our clients through when they initially come into our program, because you need to almost prime your body to be willing and able to lose fat. We have to reverse all of those negative adaptations that have happened and start to bring in some more positive adaptations.
Yeah, and we actually did a whole video on how to reverse diet properly without gaining a bunch of weight. So make sure you go check that one out if you haven't seen it already.
Hope this was helpful. That's what you said me to do. Hope this was helpful.
Okay.
I hope this was helpful for you. And what? What do you want me to say? How do you
I don't know. We don't know how to end these.
I hope this was helpful for you. And if you want more helpful content, come join us in our free Facebook group. It's called JMSA Fat Loss Secrets. We'll see you there.
Okay. Cut.